How's it going, guys? It's Ralph over in the parts department at Rensselaer Honda. I'm going to show you guys how to replace a Honda wiper insert. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get the blade off. It's a little easier to replace the insert if you get the blade off first. So when you lift the blade up, there's a little tab underneath. The tab underneath, you're going to press to the top and you're going to pull the blade towards the vehicle. It's kind of awkward. What I found the easiest, take your left hand, grab the wiper, right hand, grab the tab, and just pull towards the vehicle. Alright, so now that we have the wiper blade off, this is the easy part. So, took it off this way, the wedge goes on there, flip it over, top of the blade. So when you go to pull the insert down, immediately you'll see where it opens up right there. In that, you pull it upwards, and it comes right out. It comes right out. Just like that. So we've got a new wiper insert. You get these from us anywhere from like $12 to $15, depending on if it's a front passenger or rear. Come right to our counter at the end of the facility. So now we're going to put the new blade in, slide it right down into the channel, locking tab on the top, pull it down. Once you get to that little opening, you're going to press inwards, and it meets right in. Once that's done, come back over to your wiper arm, tab facing downwards, and you slide it right back in. Just like that, you hear a little click. And within minutes, you've got a brand new wiper insert. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions at all, or any other things you want us to teach you how to do, leave a comment below, and we'll get after it.